Good morning. Alright, so my name is Christelle, I am French, I am in Rennes, and just because I love maps, again, here are a few maps so that you know where that is. So right now it's 9:40 a.m. I wanted to go out in the afternoon because it's supposed to be super warm and really sunny today, so I was thinking about, taking photos with really sharp shadows. But then it's also supposed to be 30 degrees. So yeah, no, I don't want to do that. So I'm going out in the morning. I mean, it's already like super sunny and super blue. So like maybe the shadows are not going to be as sharp as this afternoon, but it's going to be decent. So the topic for today is going to be shadows. And also I'm thinking a bit of textures maybe. So let's say shadows and textures. Yeah, and I'm using my Nikon D7500 for both photos and videos. Alright, so let's just go for a little walk and let's enjoy the walk and the music.